The Uyghurs are going through the darkest period in their history.
The Chinese government is accused of indefinitely detaining up to 2 million Muslim citizens in its western province of Xinjiang.
So as we speak, more than 10% of the Uyghur population have been locked up in modern-day concentration camps. Uyghur religion has been perceived as mental illness. That had to be corrected. A similar type of atrocities, cultural genocide took place throughout the history, whether it be Rwanda, Kosovo, or Nazi Germany.
Your family will be gone and are taken in. So those kind of constant threat, and it comes in and out to our community. And I'm the latest victim. And so I've been told I have to stop my activity. Otherwise my family will not be released. No one feels safe. No one is safe. And we cannot stop what we're fighting for. And we will continue.